How do you fancy winning $600 or £470 to spend on your money? Hi guys, and welcome along. I'm proud to be part of this giveaway. Myself and various other YouTubers, we've all teamed up and we've put money out of our own pocket into a kitty, so that one lucky person anywhere in the world can win $600 or about £470 to spend on their money. We've teamed up with P&L Minis, and they're proudly supporting us in this venture. And like I say, it's open to everyone. All you need to do is see the link in the description and enter away. What I would like you all to do as well is if you could subscribe to all our channels as well. You'll see all the links in the description, and yeah, good luck. So one lucky person's going to win $600, no catches, to spend on their money. Good luck guys.